Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome to our channel. So today we're on week number 16 of year 2025 Garden Diary mga kabuchi. So, wow. This is how cool our kuan ay. Let's check mga kabuchi our variegated giganto mga kabuchi. See? Taas pa na ko siya mga kabuchi. I am 5'4". And 5'4" ko mga kabuchi. So, this one is already taller than me mga kabuchi. And we wanted it to grow up pa magid mga kabuchi, reaching our canopy mga kabuchi. Diba? So, suri-suri lang sa ta mga kabuchi, no? Short tour lang usan ni sa ako ang garden mga kabuchi. I was not able to think of a topic pa mga kabuchi about our plants mga kabuchi. So after rearranging our garden mga kabuchi, the giant plants are under the avocado tree mga kabuchi. Nya kani our beautiful marmalade mga kabuchi. Oh. I hope it will grow big mga kabuchi. Supposed to be this is already mature, big na siya, but then I don't know what happened. But yesterday mga kabuchi, I was spraying fertilizer to these plants mga kabuchi. So hopefully they can get the good nutrients mga kabuchi, and they will improve their growth mga kabuchi. Kay don't think they're growing well mga kabuchi. So we are now in our third place mga kabuchi. So we'll sit down here and check our plants mga kabuchi. They are all covered with the unsa man ni siya eh. I don't know which part of the flower is this one mga kabuchi. But this is from the flower of the tambis. I don't know what's tambis in English mga kabuchi. So they're all covered mga kabuchi. And check our beautiful red cardinal, and at this area mga kabuchi our beautiful, di man makita. This one is the royal queen mga kabuchi, so it's growing bigger mga kabuchi. And then on this area mga kabuchi, our Ataba Ponsa climbing up and growing good. So our Ataba Ponsi was planted together with another philodendron mga kabuchi, which I forgot the name. Saan yung pangalan? Kalimot ko. So at least mga kabuchi, they are doing well in this very dry weather. Dry jud kay mga kabuchi. I need to water this plant siguro pa mga kabuchi, no? Let's check here. Ano pa may kuan moisture. So this is now my third place. Welcome to our garden. So at least mga kabuchi, ang red Congo here is getting okay. The green Congo striving. I don't know why their leaves has some variegations mga kabuchi. So they're supposed to be all green mga kabuchi. And then this is the sad, very sad leaf mga kabuchi. The weather is very dry mga kabuchi. very, very dry. So this time really we need to water them. Check from time to time on when to water them, mga kabuchi. So hopefully during the weekdays, mga kabuchi, my sister will still check them, mga kabuchi. Oh, diba? I have a very nice garden covered lang with fallen flowers from Tambis, mga kabuchi. Covered yun sila. I hope that they are not allergic to this fallen, mga kabuchi, no? I hope they are not allergic. And so, mga kabuchi, oy, prige na po dato ang kuan, mga kabuchi. This one ba? Okay. So, I think this one is pregnant, mga kabuchi. So, another leaf will surely grow, mga kabuchi, 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. So, it's already 6 minutes, mga kabuchi. Short update lang yun ta. Sa very, very dry weather on how our philodendrons are doing during this type of weather, mga kabuchi. They're surviving, mga kabuchi. Look at this one, mga kabuchi. Ano siya? This one, mga kabuchi, no? The cat put some liquid here, mga kabuchi. You know, na liquid from the cat. It's very bad for the plants. So, I don't know why the cat chooses to dispose its liquid here, mga kabuchi. It's very bad for plants, so that's why it's starting to die. I hope it will not die, mga kabuchi. This is the only remaining plant we have, mga kabuchi. This is actually di siya with heart. Tapos siyang basta na siya heart something sa iyang name, mga kabuchi. So, mga kabuchi, this should be the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.